Hi everybody, this is Tammy and I'm back to share with you a couple of small business hauls and then some happy mail that I received from Dee, who is Elegant Embellishments. So my first haul is from Cuttlemeclay. So here is her Instagram is Cuttlemeclay Flower Shop, and I will put a link in the description box to her Instagram account, and she often posts when she will be posting items for sale or kits or other things. So I recently purchased a kit from her, and it was like in traditional colors. She makes really beautiful flowers, and so then like a week or two later I saw a post that she was selling like individual flower packs. So these were ones that I really wanted. There was a couple other ones that I wanted, but they were already sold out. So I got two of this set, but this set is in the pastel colors, which is what I really like to use on Christmas projects. So I do things in traditional colors for family and friends, but I really like the shabby chic Christmas colors and themes. So I picked these up to use on some of those projects. So again, these are from Cuttlemeclay Shop on Instagram, and she included this cute little bottle of a sequin mix as a gift with purchase. So that is from Cuttlemeclay Shop. And then my next order is from Politecreations, and here is her card. So this is Natasha, and here's all of her information. So she's Politecreations on Instagram, Politecreations on YouTube, and she also has a website. So that's Politecreations. And she also sent a free gift, and this is so cute. I love the little bag that it's in. And it is, so she does these felties. And when she posted them on Instagram, I was like, oh my goodness, okay, I need those. So here's the free gift. It's one of the felties in a very neutral pumpkin, which I love. So super cute. So thank you so much for that, Natasha. And then these are what I ordered. So they are 6 packs of felted ornaments, and of course shabby chic, and they have that Ray Dunn inspired font. So I absolutely love them. So they say Noel, Jesus, Joy, Mary, Grace, and Peace. So they both say the same thing, but obviously this one is in pink, white, and gold, and this one is in black, white, and gold. But love those. So those are from Politecreations. And then I ordered from CreativeMojo Wholesale, and I think I saw something on Instagram, and then I went to her website, and I placed this order. And how cute, the little label on inside of the package says, "Your order made my day. I hope getting this makes your day too." So that was so cute. And then today she posted a Christmas kit that was in very limited quantities. And I was like, I need that kit. So I luckily I was able to get in on it before it sold. I don't know if it sold out, but I was able to get in on it. So these are the things that I purchased. These were not a kit. I just bought them individually. And oh my goodness, these I had to get 2 sets because they are so cute. So look at these charms. They're gingerbread themed. So there's a gingerbread house, a mitten with that cute little heart in the middle, a plate of milk and cookies, a Christmas tree cookie, and then the white part is glittery. And then there's a letter to Santa, and then also a little gingerbread car with a Christmas tree on it. Adorable. So cute, so cute, so cute. So I love those. So like I said, I love them so much I ended up getting 2 packs. let me put them to the side. So I got 2 packs of those. I got these blue and pink stars, and these have a hole in them, so they are beads. And then I got these stars, which are more of a resin. They don't have a hole, but you can easily use E6000 and attach a bail to the back. But I love the colors, and I love that they have like flakes embedded in them. I know there's a lot of glare, I'm sorry, but I thought they were really beautiful. Then I got these charms, which are envelopes with a heart on it, with a letter in it. Oh my goodness, the glare. These envelopes are beautiful. But yeah, they have a lot of glare on them. And then I got these charms, which are reindeer in pink, brown, and blue. And then I got these tassels. And then these are some star embellishments that are filled with sequins. I'm trying to take it out of the package because I know you won't be able to see it good in the package, and then of course the glare. So they look like that. So cute. So that, and then I got a pack of the lobster clasp in pink, and these are tie for my favorite with the gingerbread charms. These are little Christmas bells. The beads are glass, they're not acrylic, and they're just gorgeous. So they have a silver bow and then 2 glass bell beads hanging from the bottom. So beautiful. So I got a pack of those as well. So those were from CreativeMojo Studios. I will also put a link to her Instagram, account in the description box below, as well as the link for Politecreations and also for Cuttlemeclay shop. So then I will be right back with the Happy Mail that I received from Dee. Okay, so these are the packages from Dee, and she put a card, and so cute. So this is she sent me a package before, I guess, but some things that she had ordered hadn't come in yet or something like that. So now these are the other items. Okay, so let's dig in. And she cracked me up because, and I don't have I sent her a package and I didn't have time to make anything to like really package her stuff in, but she makes these beautiful pouches, and she sends them to, you know, hold things that she's sending to you, which is awesome. And this one's beautiful. I love this ruffled pink fabric, and then that beautiful lace tassel she put on the side, and then there's that big bling piece there, and then inside are some okay. So she was watching one of my videos a while ago, and I was talking about looking for a stamp set, an alphabet stamp set that matched like the Ray Dunn font, so an Ray Dunn inspired alphabet stamp set. And she actually had one in her stash, so she contacted the company that made it to find out if they still made them. And the lady, I guess, re-released them or reordered them or something like that. And so she ordered me a set. So that is so awesome. Thank you so much, Dee. And these are perfect. Love, love, love. Love, love. So these are from the Sassy Club, and they're called Chase Alphabet. And you can see at the very bottom, that's the name of the stamp set. So it is in that Ray Dunn inspired font, so that is beautiful. I love that. And then she also included this super cute little pouch. I know this is a digital paper that she got and that she was using to make cards and stuff. So she included some like die cut pieces that I could use on projects, and some of them are some of those super cute recipes, and they're printed on like really thick Nice, nice paper. So thank you, Dee, for these. Love, love. How cute are these little gingerbreads? So I will put those in my Christmas stash. And also these are for, like, love those. I might put this in my one of these in my gratitude journal. So okay, so that's the first item. Those are the first items that she sent, and then this is the second one. And she put this beautiful applique, and it looks like she took some tissue paper and stamped it with a gingerbread man stamp. And in here, oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. So I'm totally taking off the applique, and I will be using that. Look at this box. So it's I think it is a handmade box because it's the same paper. But look at that gorgeous applique that she has on there. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And then inside, is it taped? Sorry. Okay, there. So inside, oh how cute, are these super cute keys. They are resin keys, and they say pretty girl on them. And they are charms. So there's a hole on the top, and then she took some and she put one of the, I think she got these flares from Bona. So she put one of the flares on the top of some of them. Those are really, really cute. And will look really nice on a dangle. And then there's some more of the images from the, I think these are from fabric. She did the same kind of thing that I did with the fabric, since it's so hard to find the stamps and stuff. And she knows I was looking for those recipes. And so she did, and I did end up finding a lot of the fabric, or a lot of those images on fabric. And I purchased it. Some I found at a reuse it store. Some I found on Mercari. Some I found on Facebook Marketplace. So she sent me those that I can definitely use. And then the last item, I think I know what this is, but I'm not sure. So let me open this up. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. So she made these from scratch. And oh, sorry. There's an applique on the outside of this too. So let me take that off, because I will definitely use that applique. You know I love laces and appliques. So I will be using that applique as well. But look how beautiful this is. So she made these stockings from scratch. She had a wedding dress that she cut up, and she made stockings out of them. So she used a satin fabric. She used some of the appliques. She used some trim. I'm not sure where the trim came from, but I will link her YouTube channel so you can go and check out her videos. She I believe she posted videos on them. And then I know she had these made because she sent me a picture of them and asked me which one I wanted. And I picked this one because she's so adorable. I love her pink wings. And I love her little, they're not ponytails, but her little, well, they are ponytails, but on the side, her side ponies. And then that pillow, the star pillow that she's holding. It is so adorable. I cannot remember who she said made them, but she did post them on Instagram. So she found one. She found something similar, I believe, at Hobby Lobby, but she could only find one, and she wanted them for projects. So then she found somebody that could make them for her, and she ordered some from that person. And again, I'm sorry, but I cannot remember who made them, but I know she did have them made. And then also in the envelope, in the stocking, oh, how cute! Look at this stamp. And this is a PSX stamp. I knew it. So I'm learning a lot about wood stamps. I had wood stamps from like when I started crafting, which most of them came from like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I don't have any of these vintage wood stamps. Well, I do now because I've been like looking for them and buying them off eBay and stuff like that. But I started to recognize the PSX stamps are very, very square. The corners are squared. And so I know just looking at the block what if it's a PSX stamp or not. I'm not that keen on other stamps, but this one I know, and sure enough it is a PSX stamp, and it doesn't say what it's called, but it's G2809. But look how beautiful that snowman is. Adorable. So thank you so much for that, Dee, and for her, she's just so cute. Okay. And I did see this too. I think I saw a video on these. So these are some button cards that she had in her stash, and she loaded them up with buttons from Bona. So if you're looking for flare buttons, I will also put a link to Bona's Instagram where you can order flare buttons. But look how adorable these are. All Christmas and gingerbread, Santa, a reindeer. Very, very cute. And I love the one with the apron on it. So those, and then she did stamp out some of the snowman stamp and then cut them with a round like doily die. How cute are those? So those are ready to color. And then some other things that she just stamped out. Oh, I remember this stamp that she had. That is so pretty, and she stamped it in different colors. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Dee, for these, because I can totally use these as backgrounds and stuff on tags or projects. And they're on really thick paper. And then these are, I think these are digitals that she has, and she backed them on black cardstock. Look at that vintage ginger. Adorable. And then there's some tags already, so there's things that are already done that I can just use. I don't have to do anything with them. And I love these vintage images. Adorable. Look at the postcards. Oh my goodness. That's an awesome idea because they're all ready to go. I always do a December daily, so I'm sure some of these pieces will find their way into my December daily. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly I want to do, but I need to do that and hurry up and get it done before December starts. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Dee, for all of this yumminess. Oh, I love the flares, and I love all those vintage images. And of course, I love all of your handmade things, and this stocking is just gorgeous. And I love all the appliques that you used on it. And she's just so beautiful, and thank you for thinking of me when you ordered them and ordered one for me as well. That was super sweet of you. And also for thinking of me about the stamp set, because now I have one. I did find one from another site, and I got that one too. So now I have, you know, it's a different size though. So now I have different sizes in the Rae Dunn font and alphabet stamps, which is what I really wanted. So that's awesome. So thank you so much for those. And then also for this beautiful pouch with that gorgeous tassel. And then also for all of the cuts of the recipe stamps. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I will put links to Dee's YouTube channel, to Bona's Instagram, to Politecreations, CreativeMojo Wholesale, and also to Cuttlemeclays, to their Instagram accounts in the description below. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and I hope you're all having a really great day. Bye!